My name is James Cavalier. I'm founder and one of the directors of Active in the community interest company based near Wendover in Buckinghamshire. Our company has two main functions, one where we run public health and physical activity projects to try and get people that face the biggest barriers to entry active, and the other where we run school and community facilities out of hours, try and give people a place to be active and come together as part of the community. So we've gone through a huge period of growth over the last few years. With the support of Buckinghamshire Business First, it's really helped us to make sure we're doing the right things at the right time in the right way. Recently I did the strategic planning masterclass, and that was a really good opportunity for me to take time out of the business for a day so I could really dedicate some time working on the business rather than in the business, and reminding ourselves of those really key components that we did so well when we started going through this growth. I took lots away from the day, and we've implemented quite a few things and making sure our management meetings actually have a really good focus and an agenda to make sure that we're covering everything we need to, whereas some things that often get left sort of 2-3 months apart, we're now doing every month and making sure that everybody is on the same page. More recently, I did a spotlight on sales masterclass, and that was something that I found really valuable for me personally. I've never had any sort of formal training in sales and how to approach people to actually grow our business. And so some of the techniques and the advice that we got on that day has given me the right confidence to actually go out and secure better business and not waste my time on those leads that don't go anywhere. So I do get quite a lot of other SMEs that come and talk to me that are maybe earlier on in their development, and they ask for advice, and I do often refer them to Buckinghamshire Business First, because the masterclasses and the workshops that they offer, the support they give, even things availability of meeting spaces and things like that, it's just really helped us in our early stages, and now slightly differently as we're more developed. But it's definitely something that I personally recommend to other SMEs.